Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Everyone's been requesting Air Ombre tutorials, so we're here to show you 3 different ways that you can apply Air Ombre. First tutorial, we will show you how to apply on top of an acrylic nail using clear UV base and UV top. We will first start off by getting the Air Ombre bottle and rolling it on its side, then moving it upside down a few times. Then make sure the pump is in the open spray position. Press the pump over a garbage can to make sure you don't make a mess on your desk. Make sure you have a steady stream of powder. Next, we will use the SNS Gel Star base coat and apply it over the whole nail evenly, avoiding the cuticle line. I'll be using Air Ombre 177. A little goes a long way. Use a UV or UV LED lamp to dry for 30 seconds. Apply SNS Gel Star UV top coat and make sure to seal those edges. Use the UV lamp again for another 60 seconds. You can also use the same process with a UV gel color. I'm using SNS Healthy One Step Gel, color 166. This Gel Star color is a part of the 3-in-1 pack, and it will match perfectly with the Gel-less color dip that I'll be using. Apply an even coat. Once again, cure for 30 seconds. I'm going to use another Air Ombre color just to show you all the beautiful colors we have. This color is Air Ombre 29. Now apply another coat of the One Step Gel color. Spray the Air Ombre from left to right and right to left. Cure for 30 seconds. Now apply one even layer of the SNS UV top. Make sure to avoid the cuticle line. Cure for 60 seconds. And you're all done. Now it's time for the dip powder instructions. I've already built my foundation with a natural set to speed up this process, but if you're looking for a full tutorial, click on the link on the screen. I'm going to switch up the color again and use another color of Air Ombre. This time it's Air Ombre 123. So after you're done with your natural set, filing, buffing, and then using the seal dry, make sure it's completely dry. Figure out which gel-less color you're going to be using for the base of the nail. I'm using gel-less color 166. Just a quick side note, once you open your gel-less dip, make sure you save the padded disc from the jar and place it inside the lid. This will prevent the powder from escaping once you put the lid back on. Since I'm applying gel-less color, I'll be using gel-less base. Apply gel-less base over the whole nail, avoiding the cuticle line. Now dip into the gel-less color. Dust off any excess powder. Now let's apply another thin layer of gel-less base, avoiding the cuticle line. Spray the Air Ombre from left to right and right to left. Scoop up the gel-less powder and pour it over the cuticle line. Allow the powder to run off the nail going forward. Tap off any excess powder. Dust off and get underneath the nail. It's time for sealer dry. Wait until it's completely dry, then file and buff any imperfections. Seal dry again and wait for it to completely dry before moving to top coat. Wait for the first layer to dry and then apply a second layer. Give it a few minutes, make sure it's completely dry, and now we're ready to apply the vitamin oil on the cuticles. All the products used in this video will be in the description below. You can get all of them from snsnails.com. Thank you so much for tuning in, and let us know if you have any questions in the comments below. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Hit the bell notification to get all of our latest news and easy tutorials. Comment below which tutorial you'd like to see next. Bye for now.